Hi guys. So tonight for dinner we're going to make some homemade KFC bowls. Now in a large bowl I have some cut up bite-sized pieces of chicken tenders. I'm going to season them with a little bit of thyme, black pepper, basil, garlic powder, paprika. I'm going to add in some onion powder. I added in a little bit of parsley just for color, and some salt, ginger. I added in so many seasonings. I'll make sure to list all the seasonings that I used in the description box. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mix this together, and I'm going to let it chill out while we work on our mashed potatoes. Now to make my mashed potatoes, I'm going to use my pressure cooker. It just makes it a lot easier. I'm going to add my potatoes to my pressure cooker. Fill it with water just to cover the potatoes, and I'm going to add in some salt. And I'm going to let these cook on pressure for about 8 minutes. Now while the potatoes are cooking, we're going to go ahead and fry our chicken. Now here I have some flour that I added a little bit of seasoning to, some garlic salt, onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. And I'm going to whisk this together. Now in a separate dish, I added in some flour and some eggs with a little bit of milk. The milk looks that color because it's almond milk. Now I'm going to whisk these ingredients together. We're going to dip it in our egg mixture, and then we're going to coat it with our seasoned flour. You want to fry it until it's nice and golden brown. Once they start to float, they're done. Back to our mashed potatoes. Now in a big bowl, I have my potatoes. I'm going to add in some butter, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, some parsley flakes, and some milk. I like to use my cake mixer when I make mashed potatoes because they get light and fluffy and airy. Now I almost forgot the corn, you guys. In my skillet I added some butter, and I'm just going to saute up some corn. I added some salt and pepper and parsley flakes. I just kept it simple. You just want to fry your corn until all the liquid's evaporated. So next we're just going to layer our chicken and our corn, and we're going to drizzle on our gravy. And if you're wondering what gravy I'm using, girl, I'm using this one. I just didn't have time to make gravy that night. You want to add on some cheddar cheese and some fresh parsley. You guys, this is the perfect comfort food when it's cold outside and you just want something to make you feel warm, cozy, and lazy on the couch. Make yourself an at-home KFC bowl. So delicious. Yum.